Hey, welcome back on Tech Brothers YouTube channel. Today we have unboxing and quick review of USB charging station called CHOETECH TC42C. I'm interested in this device because it has 4 USB ports and USB Type-C ports, maximum power of 55 watts, a special holder and affordable price. Please note that this is USB charging station, not USB hub. It plugs into outlet, not a laptop or computer. So let's start with unboxing and then talk about design. The charging station comes in a simple white cardboard box. There is the image of charging station and model number on the front panel. The specifications are on the back. Inside the box you will find a charging station, the holder to make sure that the station is standing upright, charging cable, and even USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. As you can see, the charging station has many accessories despite its low price. As for design, the charging station is made of matte black plastic with rounded corners. The dimensions are 90 by 70 by 29 mm. It has the company logo on one side and specifications on another. On the front, there are 4 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB Type-C ports, and LED indicator. On the back, there is only power cable connector. Now I want to test the charging station. I'll try to connect the devices to all the ports. As you can see, all devices are really charging. I have been charging them for about 10 minutes and the charging station hasn't heated up. That's very good. The maximum power of USB 3.0 is 5 volt and 2.4 ampere, and USB Type-C 5 volts and 3 amperes. Also, I want to check the charging speed. My phone charges in 1 hour and 50 minutes from the wall outlet. I'm going to plug in some devices for charging and see how fast my phone charges up. As you can see, it takes about the same 1 hour and 53 minutes. CHOETECH TC42C charging station is a very useful device. You can charge 6 devices at the same time with this charging station. Charging speed is very good. Also, I like that it comes with the holder and USB Type-C cable. The price is affordable, only $19 using the coupon code. I will leave it in description under the video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.